Good evening, Navika, and good evening to all my esteemed panelists. I can very well imagine how much you enjoyed this primer of the last 5 minutes, exposing the hypocrisy of those who were sworn enemies and now are bosom friends. Look, the fact of the matter is, yet again, Nitish Kumar has abandoned the cow and accepted the fodder. As was expected of, pardon the pun, Paltiputra. You know, I can't think of any other politician who has broken off and hooked up so many alliances so many times. I mean, हवन की आग ठंडी भी नहीं होती है कि दूल्हा abandons his bride and pulls his ex for feras again, and the exes know the script, and so they're always lurking in the vicinity, gorging on butter naans and kadai paneer under the banquet tent. But on a serious note, though, Navika, it is time the Election Commission had a serious look at post-poll alliances. They are immoral, in that they ridicule the voter who voted against the two adversaries getting together for the sake of opportunism. Nitish betrayed the mandate in 2017 when he hitched up with the BJP. BJP was very quiet then. They were very happy. In Maharashtra, Sena asked for votes on the basis of, ridiculing both Congress and the NCP. Same was the case with JDS and Congress in Karnataka, and BJP and JJP in Haryana. They fight like cats and dogs and convince the voters that they are politically and ideologically polar opposites. But as soon as the results come in, or after a couple of years, the two poles get sucked towards each other to form the core. Voters, मंदिर का घंटा है क्या? जो आता बजा के चला जाता है. This JDU and RJD alliance is a betrayal of the mandate, Navika. Just like JDU and BJP alliance was in 2017. If you want to rehitch, then go for elections again. Just like the Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP in Maharashtra was a betrayal of the mandate, the Maha Vikas Aghadi. The BJP, of course, is no doodh ka dhula. Remember the 3 a.m. swearing in of Mr. Fadnavis using support of Ajit Pawar, the man Fadnavis vowed he would put behind bars if elected. And remember Manipur 2017, Navika, the BJP had 21 MLAs in a 60-seat house, Congress had 28, and yet the governor invited the BJP to a floor test despite the fact that it did not have a pre-poll alliance with NPF, NPP, LSP. Just, Navika, 30 seconds. Politicians understand Darwinian axiom, survival of the fittest. They are competing to survive. They are mutating to survive. Governments, Navika, are a roulette and spin. The players switch sides at will and no one loses in the long run. I began with talking of X's. Well, X is a prefix found most frequently in a politician's CV. Ex-BJP, ex-Congress, ex-BSP, ex-AAP, ex-SP, ex-CPI, ex-TMC, pre-poll alliance, post-poll agreement, coalition dharma, caste arithmetic, regional agreement, local pact, religious deal. These are telltale signs, genetic markers for this disease called politics. But करे तो करे क्या, Navika? जाए तो जाए कहाँ?